Hey Techno Studs, up until now we've only been using one port on our wireless LAN controller. This could be problematic if we have a lot of traffic that's coming across it or if that link goes down. So let's look at link aggregation and see how we can bundle the ports together to create more bandwidth to our wireless LAN controller and create redundancy in case one of those links fails. I have the web interface up for our wireless LAN controller. On here, it shows the front end of here and shows that we actually have 4 Ethernet ports. These 4 Ethernet ports act as switch ports, so we can actually plug in APs into these or other devices. However, in this case right now, what we want to do is we want to link these 4 ports together and create a link aggregation port. And so what I can do to do that is I'm going to go under the controllers, under the general tab, which is automatically on here, and I see this lag mode on next reboot. I can select enable, I would apply this then, and save the configuration and do a reboot. So the last thing that I need to make this happen is a reboot. Once this wireless LAN controller comes back up, these 4 ports will be linked together and will act as one port. Now, some things that you gotta keep in mind with this. We've already learned about LacP and PagP. Those are 2 automatic linking protocols, link aggregation protocols. And so what the switch can do is communicate with another switch to automatically set up a link aggregation and combined ports. Well, your wireless LAN controller can't do that. And so what we need to do is we're essentially setting up these 4 ports to be statically assigned to a port channel. And what we have to do is on the switch do the same thing. We can't have any kind of automated protocol set up to do that. So we have to specifically on the switch assign it so it's always on. So the key to this is we want link aggregation always on and not LacP or PagP to set up these links automatically. So the other thing that I would need to do is go over to the switch and choose out 4 ports on the switch, create that link aggregation group of always on, not LacP or PagP on there, but just link aggregation, which is always on. And then I would connect all of the ports of this wireless LAN controller up to the ports on the switch, the 4 ports that are on the switch that I configured. And so then that would set up and finish this connection off.